Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. If you are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. In this tutorial, I am going to explain solutions for hypothesis problems from statistical paper to year 2017. Okay, we all know that in paper 2 we have mainly linear models. Okay, then statistical inference. Okay, in statistics we have this mainly these two topics. In statistical inference we have estimation and testing of hypothesis. Okay, in testing hypothesis we can get 10 to 20 questions from each and every year. Okay, now we discuss few questions with solutions also from year 2017. Okay, see, this is my question. This is question number 36 from year 2017. If x is greater than or equal to 1 is the critical region for testing h naught theta equal to 1 against the alternative hypothesis theta equal to 2 on the basis of single observations from the population, given that exponential distribution here in exponential distributions limits are from 0 to infinity, then the value of type 1 error and type 2 error will be respective. So we need to find type 1 error and type 2 error. See here, what is the critical region? Okay, what is critical region? W. You can take different notations. X is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, what is acceptance region? You can just take the inverse of this. What is the expectation rate? If x is greater than or equal to 1 is this is critical region, then less than or equal to x is the less than or equal to lower limit is the acceptance region. Now we all know what is the type 1 error. We are generally denote type 1 error equal alpha equal to rejecting h naught when h naught is true. Okay, this is a general definition. Probability of type 1 error is rejecting h naught when h naught is true. So here, what is rejection region? Rejection region is 1 to infinity. Okay, 1 to infinity, then h naught is true, so theta equal to 1. When you substitute here theta equal to 1, you can got e power minus x dx. When you solve this integration, what you get? 1 minus 1 upon e power x. You can just substitute limits. Okay, infinity to 1. Here e power infinity goes to 0. When you substitute 1, you can get 1 by e. So 1 by e is the type 1 error. By observing the options, we say that this is correct answer, but we can solve type 2 error. How we can solve type 2 error? Beta equal to accepting h naught. Acceptance, when we accept x is greater than or equal to 1 is the rejection region, then 1 less than or equal to up to lower limit 1 to 0 is the acceptance region. Then what is the theta value here? Alternative theta equal to 2 into e power minus 2x. 2 into e power minus 2x. Okay, when you, this is just exponential distribution. When you solve this integration, what you got? E power minus 2x divides by minus 2. Okay, limits are from 0 to 1. Here 2 will cancel out. Finally what you get? Minus e power minus 2 minus, when you substitute 0, minus minus plus, you got 1. So finally what you got? 1 minus 1 e square. When you can take LCM, this will be the correct answer. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, see this question: which of the following are the correct for the test of significance? Size means probability of type 1 error. Size means probability of type 1 error. So fourth option is correct. Here what is 1 minus type 1 error? This is wrong. Power means 1 minus beta, so 1 minus type 2 error. 2 is correct. Here power equal to probability, right? This is also wrong. 2 and 4 are the correct answer for this question. Okay, these are our just definitions. Okay, see this question. This question also related to the first question, but here distribution is changed. Here we have binomial distribution. Let P be the probability that a coin will be fell head in a single toss. In order to test the hypothesis H naught P equal to of against the alternative P equal to 3 by 4, the coin is tossed 5 times, so N is equal to 5 and H naught is rejected if more than 3 hits are obtained. The probability of type 1 error. See here what we need to just find the critical region. What is the critical region? Here generally we denote critical region by W. Okay, here critical region W is what this, if the coin is tossed 5 times and H naught is rejected if more than 3 hits are obtained. More than 3 hits are obtained means X such that X greater than 3 or X is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, we can use different. Okay, X is greater than or equal to 3 or greater than or equal to 4. X is greater than or equal to 4. You can use, when you can use greater than symbol, we can use 4. Okay, now here N is given, N equal to 5 and probability of success also given, probability of failure also given, alternative also given. Now what we need? Alpha. What is alpha formula? Probability of rejecting H naught when H naught is true. So here binomial distribution PMF is what? NCX. Here N is 5CX. Okay, P here we are rejecting H naught means off is our P value of power X into Q is 1 minus 2, 1 minus off, so off you get off into 5 minus X. Okay, this is our PMF of binomial distribution. Now which probability we need? Probability of X is greater than or equal to 4. X is greater than or equal to 4 means we need X equal to 4 plus X equal to 5. Okay, when you substitute X equal to 4, here what you got? 5C4 is 5, 1 by 2 power 5, here 4. Okay, here when you substitute here 4, finally you got 1 by 2 4 power 5, finally you got 5 multiplied by 1 by 2 power 5. Okay, plus when you substitute 5C5 is, okay, you can just calculate, calculation is there, remaining nothing is there, 1 by 2 power 5. Okay, now you can just take 1 by 2 power 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, 1 2 will be cancelled, finally you got 3 upon 16. A is the correct answer for this question. Okay, see this question also similar to the before question. Let X be a random variable following binomial distribution with parameter N equal to 10 and P, and X is a sample of size 1. To test the test is if X is less than or equal to 3, so W is a what? W is X such that X less than equal to 3. This is our critical region. Okay, critical region. H naught P equal to off and accept H1 P. So size of the critical region. What is the size of critical region? We all know that we can just find the alpha value. You can get the option correct answer for this question. Rejecting H naught when H naught is true. Okay. See this question. Consider the testing problem for from normal distribution with theta is unknown and variance is known. Here I take two hypotheses here, P1 and P2. P1 is H naught theta equal to theta naught versus theta 1 plus theta greater than theta naught. Then second alternative is theta not equal to theta not equal to theta. Okay, the UMP level of alpha test exists. UMP means uniformly most powerful. In most powerful, there is one condition: null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Both should be simple hypothesis. Okay, both are simple, then we can apply most powerful test. When we can apply uniformly most powerful test means when we have greater than or equal to composite hypothesis. When we have composite hypothesis, that time we can apply UMP test. So both. C is the correct answer for this question. Okay, thank you for watching. We soon we update all videos also, so stay on my channel.